What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sign up for eBay affiliate program. Now this is an easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step so that you can start making money using eBay affiliate program. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to create an account on eBay. Okay, that's the first step. Now I have already partnered with eBay affiliate program on this eBay account, so I created another account so that I can show you guys step by step on how you can start from scratch, how you can sign up for eBay affiliate program. Now after you create, guys, your eBay account, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down. At the very bottom you can find here where it says Sal. As you can see, you can find here affiliates. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to click on that and it will take you guys to this page. After you click on affiliates, it says here, welcome to eBay partner network, earn money by driving traffic and promoting sales across of one of the world's largest and most diverse marketplaces. Okay, so what you guys need, you want to click on sign up and then it will take you guys to this page. So after that, what you guys need to do, if you can read this so that you can understand exactly what this whole thing is about. As you can see, partner with a global e-commerce leader and connect with millions of buyers and sellers worldwide. So it says here, share eBay listings with your audience and get paid when item sells. So you get a commission each time you sell this item. That's the meaning of this. So if you promote this, the links of the product, if you promote them through your social media and someone purchases something using your link, you earn a commission. Okay, so you need to scroll down and click on sign in with eBay. So after, guys, you click on sign in, you need to log in using the same information. So I logged in now into my eBay. Now the next step, just waited for it to load. I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, so again, click now it will take you guys to this page. You want to scroll down a little bit, and what you guys need to do next is, first you need, if you can speak, for example, French or Arabic, you don't speak English, you can select it here in the top right. You can select here your language so that you can understand everything here. So they ask you guys a few different questions like the display name. Just enter here your own name, and then here the company website. You need to enter here your company website. For example, if you have a website where you can promote these products, I'm just going to add here, for example, my own Instagram account. Maybe, yeah, that's it. That's what I'm going to add here. I'm going to add my Instagram account. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so this is my Instagram. I'm going to go back and I'm going to add that here. Okay, so just need to remove this because it's already here. So leave only www.instagram.com, and here the country, you need to select, guys, your country. So select here your own country. I'm going to select that right now. And here you need to enter here your own address and the second address, guys, and the city. You need to enter the city, the zip code, and then here your phone number. Now you want to click on here so that you can select what country you are in right now. So I'm going to select okay, I'm going to select Morocco. For you need to select your own country. I'm going to add here my own number, and then here the currency. You need to go with the dollar. I recommend selecting dollar. And here, if you are registered for indirect tax in Morocco, you need to do that. You need to select here. It's the first option. Or in Morocco or in any country in the world, you need to select it. If you are not registered for indirect tax, you need to check I am not registered for indirect tax. And then here it says here promotional information. So it means like where you are going to promote these products. So it says here content. I would just select here, for example, creator. Okay, if you have like a YouTube channel, you can just select like a creator, or if you are Instagram influencer, select a creator, and then click on social media here, and then you can select which one. Okay, or you can add here a website. If you have a website, you can add it here. That's it. So if you, for example, you can add YouTube, just click on YouTube, and then you can add your YouTube URL. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to select my YouTube URL right now. Okay, this is it. So you just need to
I told my friend that I...
Okay, and then enter the YouTube URL here, copy it and paste it here, and here you can see agreements. Okay, it says here sales 1 to 4%. Okay, so here it's the commission you are going to earn if you sell, for example, a $200 item. You earn 2.5% of the order sale amount. Okay, so that's it. So you can check all of this. 500 if you sell a high ticket item, you earn 3%. If you sell 550, 3%. Okay, and then you want to click on sign up. That's it, guys. So after you guys sign up, then you will receive an email to your own you will receive an email, guys, state if you are accepted, if you are approved. You will receive an email that says you are approved for the eBay partner program. Okay, you are approved for the affiliate program, and then you can start getting links and you can start promoting. Okay, so yeah, if you don't understand anything, let me know. As you can see, 24 hours. You want to wait 24 hours and then check your email and see if eBay partner network approved your request or your application. Okay, it says here your application is under review, so you just need to wait. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like and watch the video in the screen. See